You're the problem. You're the problem because you trigger them, because they are ashamed of something within, and you reflect that back to them. You've worked very hard to get to this place. You went through a lot of loss and struggle and pain to reach this level of softness and positivity. And now you get to enjoy the fruit of that labor. And unfortunately, that makes you stand out to people, or it changes your relationship to people. And maybe you've gone through an awakening, or you've evolved and grown into this new person, and you're outgrowing certain people. Whatever it is within them, I don't want you to take it personally. If it hurt you, or you lost a friend or a family member, just know that their behavior is about them. Do not take it personally. Even if they rejected you, even if they ghosted you, pray for forgiveness and pray that their heart is filled with love and forgiveness, because God restores everything. And it might not be in this person, but if they are meant to be in your life, they will come back and your relationship will be better than ever, because God always restores things 10 times better than they were to begin with, or he replaces it with someone or something even better than before. And it's sad and your pain is valid, but some things run their course, and it's not up to us to always understand why, especially when they end for no reason. So if you're going through this and you feel brave enough to share, let me know in the comments, because I want you to know that you're not alone, that people lose people who they think are going to be in their life forever. The ride or dies, the best friends, the soulmates. Sometimes these things happen and you can't make sense of it, and it hurts so badly. Just know that it's not about you. You are not the problem. I hope this was helpful. I hope that it resonated, and I just want you to know that you're not alone. I'm sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.